How to log out ChatGPT on Android phone. So if you want to sign out or log out your ChatGPT account on your Android phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to sign out or log out your ChatGPT account on your Android phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Then once you open the ChatGPT app, this is what you're going to see. Now, click on the menu icon at the top left. Scroll down and click on your profile icon. Now, once you select your profile icon, you should see information about your ChatGPT here. Now, to sign out, just click on sign out. Then you should see the ChatGPT send out straight away on your Android phone. You can do this on Android, you can do this on iPhone to send out your ChatGPT account on your device. And if you want to sign in again, you can just open the ChatGPT app, click on login, then hang on. Now, you just need to go ahead, type in your ChatGPT username, which is your email address. Then click on continue. After that, type in the password. Click on continue. Once you type in the details, then you should see your ChatGPT account logged in back on your mobile phone. So that is basically how to send out or log out ChatGPT on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.